Okay, let's move on to IELTS speaking part 2. Describe a place away from your home and you want to visit that place in the future.
I had I had been lived in Punjab all life. I have never seen hilly areas. So in future, I want to visit in hilly areas like Muzaffarabad, Pir and Aptabad. It is about 2,000 kilometers from Punjab. Me and my whole family will decide. I will go there and enjoy the hilly areas. Mostly in summer, the in Lahore weather is too much hot, so I will decide to go in summer.
Okay, this is very short answer, 35 seconds only. So for speaking part 2, you have to
S-
speak for
uh,
minimum 1 minute.
okay, I had been heard about hilly areas from my family and my friends. My mother, some one time my mother will go there, and he told me,
She told me.
she told me.
Okay, thank you so much. So prepare your cue card well, because if you stop at 30 seconds speaking again on the cue card, it's not going to be organized answer then, right? Now let's move on. We have speaking part 3. Where do people love to go on holidays?
It's depend.
It depends.
It depends. It depends on season. It depends on season. Some people will go in summer, like hilly areas. They enjoy a lot because mostly the Lahore weather is too much hotter, so they will go in hilly areas.
Okay, how does tourism lead to cultural exchange?
Culture exchange.
Okay, for part 3, you need to understand, like, if there is tourism, people of other countries come to your country, they bring their culture.
Okay.
So, this is what we call culture exchange.
Okay.
Okay, pay more attention. Looking at your overall performance at present, generously, I'm giving you 5 band.
Okay.
Okay, but you need to work hard to get a better band score.